Hey, what's going on? It's 9 to 5 Trader. Welcome back to another video. So one of the main topics I want to talk through today is the concept of bag holding. Now, bag holding is very common in stock trading. This is why the only 5 to 10% of people succeed at stock trading. This is a very difficult concept to wrap your head around, and I think a lot of people are doing it right now because essentially people are just being hopeful that the market will recover or whatever it is, or that their stock might recover, whatever it is. A lot of people are doing that right now, and it's a very dangerous misconception to have. So in this video, I'm just going to quickly talk about, what bag holding is and why people are doing it. And then I kind of want to give you guys some advice on how you can avoid this. And it's very difficult to do, but it will lead you to consistent green days in the stock market. So before I get right into it, I ask that you hit that like button and also leave me any comments below throughout this video if you have any questions. And also, feel free to subscribe if you guys want frequent videos every week. That's what I offer to you guys. I upload videos about 3 to 4 times a week, and every Sunday I will have a video right before the next week to show you guys kind of the stocks that I'm trading, so you guys could also see if you're interested in that watch list as well. So let's jump right into it. So what is bag holding? So by definition, a bag holder is an informal term used to describe an investor who holds a position in a security that decreases in value until it descends into worthlessness. In most cases, the bag holder stubbornly retains their holdings for an extended period, during which time the value of the investment goes to zero. So that's pretty much everything in a nutshell. So bag holding is what you think it is. You're holding your bag of money. You're holding it for whatever reason it may be. And the problem with this is that a lot of people do this because they buy into a stock, it goes down, and then they kind of wait, they hope that, it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. Well, maybe if I hold on to it longer, it will turn out. And this is a very, very dangerous concept to have. And this is why people struggle to consistently make profits in the stock market. So this concept of bag holding is ideally something you never want to do or exercise. Now, there are instances where it is somewhat appropriate, but it's kind of in a different sense, right? It's more of like an investing sense. So plain and simple, why wouldn't you want to bag hold, right? Well, one, you lose out on opportunity costs, which is huge. An opportunity cost, by definition, is that it represents the potential benefits an individual investor or business misses out on when choosing one alternative over another. The idea of opportunity cost is a major concept in economics. So opportunity cost, the way I look at it is, say I'm bag holding into something, I put all my money into it, maybe it's multiple stocks, and I'm bag holding it and they keep going down. Well, guess what? There's going to be other stocks throughout that time that I'm holding it that are doing well or something. And I'm going to sit there very eager and anxious, talking about, hey, I could have hopped into these. Well, I can't because all my money's in one position. So that is the emphasis of opportunity cost. Another reason why bag holding is so dangerous, of course, is because the stock can continue to go down. So we need to be very careful with that. Now, what is bag holding in different senses? So what is bag holding in terms of trading and investing? So if you're bag holding and trading, again, this is something you never want to exercise. Trading is ideally for the short term, so you don't want to bag hold, especially if a stock has been depreciating in the interim, right? In the recent time, you don't want to do that. Now, if you're bag holding for an investment, it's a little bit different. The thing is, with an investment, you're in it for the long term. You're in it for 2 weeks or greater is the way I like to look at it. Maybe it's a couple months, maybe it's even years. The thing with an investment is you plan on holding it for a long time anyways. So essentially, you're not even bag holding. But if you were to use this term appropriately, you're somewhat bag holding because, yeah, you're waiting for that stock to maybe go up. But if you do your technical analyses right, and being that you're already taking a little more of a conservative approach with a long-term investment, you're probably going to be okay. Now, the most important topic here is how to avoid bag holding. Now, the number one thing I recommend is completely taking emotion out of stock trading. And I know that sounds impossible. Well, guess what? That's why only the 5 to 10% are consistently going green, because they have discipline and they have a plan with every time, which leads me into my second point. Have a plan. Now, how do you take the emotion out? Well, you can double dip that with your plan. You need to have a plan of having a stop loss set. So in case it does start to go down, you're not sitting there and bag holding it and hoping that, it does bounce back up, because it can continue to go back down. So if you set a stop loss, yeah, maybe you sold out, maybe you lost a little bit, but losing a little bit is a hell of a lot better than losing a lot of bits. So I highly recommend, again, 2 things: having a plan, right? And taking the emotion out of it. Just stay strict to those rules and you will do fine. So to summarize, bag holding. Again, bag holding is the concept of holding on to your money, holding on to your stock into a position that you think is going to go back up because of some emotion or feeling, whatever it is. Maybe it is through technical analysis that you saw it's going to go back up. But again, you never know. It's the stock market. Things do different things all the time. You never know. So just have a plan and set your stop loss. I can't emphasize that anymore. But again, to summarize, back holding, right? It comes in a couple different facets. You can back hold with trading and you can back hold with investing. Again, with investing, it's not really back holding if that was part of the original plan anyways. But with trading, you want to completely avoid this. And the last thing you absolutely cannot forget is the opportunity cost. So maybe you do all right back holding, maybe you do terrible back holding, whatever it is, don't do it. And here's the reason why. Even if you do good, right, you just wasted this whole allotted time for a stock to bounce back, and within that whole time you could have been trading a bunch of other stocks, different positions, and slowly compounded and made money from those. But instead you couldn't because all your money was in one bucket or whatever it is. So those are the key takeaways with back holding. Again, back holding is a very important topic when it comes to stock trading and is the main reason why a lot of people lose out in the market. So that's all I have for you guys today. Let me know what you guys thought of this video. I'm still kind of working on my setup. I'm still kind of working on some content to offer to you guys. So that's why I offer the comment section below. I'm very responsive, and if you guys have any particular topics, whether it's related to the stock market or whether it's related to how to stock trade, things like that, I'm more than welcome to add that to my videos. So thanks again for watching, guys. Again, hit that like button, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe as well if you want to see consistent videos every week relating to the stock market. I will provide that for you guys. So that's all I have for today. It's Friday, so I'm gonna get out there and enjoy the weather, and we got some football kicking off this weekend, so I'm pretty excited. But next week, I just want you to take this concept with you into your future trades and things like that. And then look forward to the video on Sunday to share with you guys what I plan to trade next week. So again, that's all I have for today, guys. Happy trading.